Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. As we continue our Advent journey, today's reading is particularly the Gospel narrated to us the story about the parable of the two sons, teaching us this particular grace that hopefully we embrace during this joyful anticipation of Christ's birth. And that is of that good sense of a change of heart. The man had two sons. He came all over to the first one. The son said no, but did the work his father entrusted to him. The second son said yes, but did the otherwise. Ang isang mabuting pagbabago ng puso. Dahil ito ang isang magandang bagay na magandang timbangin, magandang tignan sa ating mga sarili, sa mga bagay na inoohan natin at sa mga bagay na hinihindian natin. Dahil ang totoong pagbabago ng puso ay ang pagsasabing hindi sa kasalanan, ngunit oo para sa Diyos. But a bad change of heart may redound to say that I will say yes to sin, but no to God. But that mission may seem to be impossible or difficult. But it is a calling. Around that calling is the second invitation, not only for a good sense of a change of heart, but with conviction. Kinakailangan na ang pagbabago ng puso at ang pagbabago ng buhay ay may pagtitibayan, may lakas, may tindig sa ating mga sarili. Jesus reminded this the chief priests and the elders of the people. Tax collectors and prostitutes are already entering the kingdom of God. Mga taong hindi akalaing magbabago ng puso, ngunit dahil may totoong pagbabago ng puso, may katibayan na narating ang kaharian ng langit. In days to come, Christmas will be there. We will be receiving gifts, but we will be receiving Jesus Himself on that special day. And every day, whenever we celebrate the Eucharist, we receive Jesus in the form of bread. We receive Jesus in the people we live. And as we prepare for this reception of Jesus, let us have that good sense of a change of heart and of conviction to say no to things that will rob us away from God, and yes to things that will let us embrace the Lord. Baka hindi pa totoo ang ating mga pagbabago ng buhay, ngunit isang bagay po itong magandang dalhin sa mga susunod na oras na ito. Totoong pagbabago ng puso at may katibayan sa paggawa nito. In our ascent to say no to things that will rob us away from God, we hope and pray that soon we will rise, saying yes to God's graces and blessings He has prepared us as we continue our life.